I picked up this company's nail gun to test out and to show you. So let's go ahead and open this, and as you can see, it comes with 2 batteries, which are the 21 volt 4 amp hour batteries. And this is the nail gun, and it comes with a couple of nails that you can use, and you can actually charge these with that right there. So it just plug it into the wall, and you can plug this directly into here, and you can charge your batteries that way, and you can actually see whether or not your batteries are actually charged there. Fairly simple operation with this. You have a safety switch which won't allow this to work, and as you can see, that's working with it, but since I don't have a thing on it, it doesn't work. Just go ahead and slap that on, and like that, and you're in, and you can hear that tried to start up, but since I had the safety trigger on, it won't. And how you load this is you go ahead and click this, and that slides down like that, and then you just take your nails, and they have a little bit of a ridge on them here. You just set them right there on that, slide this up, and you can feel that that is spring loaded, and that locks itself in, and we are locked and ready to go. There is no safety end on this, so I can literally hold this up in the air and shoot it. So I know that there's some that you have to have it down on to be able to not shoot it. So just something. So you can actually set the depth on this by changing these. You can take these screws out and bring this up and down to choose different types of depths. I'm just going to leave it on default to go ahead and show it. So we're going to go out and throw a couple nails on some wood, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I got a couple of pieces of wood here. This is some old plywood. This is OSB. That's beside the plywood. As you can see, went completely in and then actually into the other side. Knock that down. So you definitely got some power. Completely through over to the other side. Not a problem. Here's one through a 2x4 through plywood into a 2x4. Not a problem. The whole way through. And it is just pounding them in. So if you're looking for a simple, it looks like it's 18 gauge, 21 volt nail gun, I don't think you can go wrong with it. It looks like it works quite well.